patriarchy, dismantle white supremacy. If I wanna dismantle the patriarchy, dismantle white supremacy, then I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. Me. Hey!
If I wanna, I'm gonna
dismantle the patriarchy, dismantle white supremacy, dismantle the patriarchy, dismantle white supremacy. If I wanna dismantle the patriarchy, dismantle white supremacy, then I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. Said I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me.
I'm gonna. If I wanna.
What is white supremacy? Do you know what that is?
White supremacy is the black people.
Nope, white supremacy is not the black people. White supremacy is when white people think that they're better than everyone else, that their race is better than other people. White supremacy is when you think your skin color is better than other people's skin color. And so we're trying to break that down and recognize that all skin color is great, especially black and brown people.
Dismantle the patriarchy! Dismantle the supremacy! Dismantle the patriarchy! Dismantle the supremacy! Then I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me. Then I got to search inside myself to see where it exists in me.
What is white privilege?
White privilege is not the patriarchy, but normal people that are white-skinned have white privilege. And they can help the black people.
Yeah, I mean, white folks right now can be allies to black and brown people.
The white people have something that the patriarchy also doesn't. Well, the patriarchy does, but they forgot about it, and they're not doing privilege to the black people. They're just making money and turning them into slaves, and the farmers are not giving them any money, even if they're working so hard.
So we're using our white privilege, because we are white-skinned, we're using our white privilege
For good.
Yeah, we're using our white privilege to amplify black and brown people's voices.
And amplify love and bring it into the patriarchy.
Yeah, bring love into the patriarchy. That's right on. That would dismantle it for sure. You think we can do it, Waldo? Can we dismantle white supremacy?
Yes.
Can we dismantle the patriarchy?
Yes.
Yes!
But you can't.
Yes!
But you can't burp because that's under the law of white supremacy.
Under the law?